The 2026 Ford Expedition represents a continuation of Ford's commitment to delivering a full-size SUV that balances power, technology, and versatility. Retaining the 3.5-litre twin-turbocharged V6 engine, the vehicle offers an impressive power output of up to 440 horsepower, depending on the trim. This performance, coupled with a towing capacity of up to 9,600 pounds, positions the Expedition as a leading contender in the segment for those requiring both passenger comfort and robust utility. Notably, the 10-speed automatic transmission ensures smooth power delivery, enhancing both highway efficiency and off-road capability. Inside the cabin, the Expedition embraces a technology-driven approach, underscored by a 13.2-inch infotainment touchscreen and an expansive 24-inch digital instrument cluster. These features not only improve user interaction, but also reinforce Ford's emphasis on driver-centric ergonomics. A particularly innovative feature is the flex-powered console, which allows the center console to slide back nearly 8 inches, facilitating easier access to storage and enhancing cabin flexibility. From an exterior design perspective, the 2026 model retains the bold styling cues introduced in previous iterations, maintaining its commanding presence on the road. The inclusion of the Ford split gate, a two-piece tailgate system, enhances cargo accessibility and usability. Meanwhile, the Tremor trim level caters specifically to off-road enthusiasts by integrating 33-inch all-terrain tires and terrain-focused engineering modifications. While the 2026 Expedition does not introduce radical changes, it successfully refines and builds upon its predecessor's strengths, offering a compelling blend of capability, technological sophistication, and refined luxury within the full-size SUV category.